like I thought. It's green light for bus again. Activities now really starting to build all these. So I'm just hoping that something does come in. They're acting like it anyway. I think they're moving from one box to the other, just checking them all out. But this one again, still pretty busy. And then little caravan, little dog. That's my 100-watt solar panel. They're even still looking at this big box. Not as many there, can't blame them, gotta admit. And this one seems to be the one that's getting more and more attention. I think it's going to be one of the two, either of the blue ones I think is going to happen. But when, I'm not quite sure. We'll soon find out.